The following program is paid for by Absolute Mortgage, a division of Pinnacle Capital Mortgage Corporation. Absolute Mortgage Company, NMLS number 81395 and Washington CL number 81395 is an equal opportunity housing lender. Tina Mitchell, MLO number 145420, is a licensed loan originator with Absolute Mortgage. Visit AbsoluteLoans.com or call 888-90-HOMES for cost information. You're listening to The Money Hour with your host, Tina Mitchell. Sponsored by Absolute Mortgage, a division of Pinnacle Capital Mortgage Corporation. Now, in the studio, local mortgage and finance expert, Tina Mitchell.
Welcome to the Money Hour on 1150 AM KKNW, the Saturday, May 30th show. I am your host and mortgage expert, Tina Mitchell. I am here to help you build a strong financial blueprint 1 week and one show at a time. If you're hearing my show at a different time or day, you're listening to rebroadcast, but you can call into the show with any questions, or if you'd like for me to connect you with the guests that I have in studio, please call the show at 1-855-400-1150. Again, that's 1-855-400-1150 or online at themoneyhour.com. And my lineup for studio today, Keith Medley and Brian Walker, final phase inspections. How do you maintain your home from the inside and out? Also in studio, Joe Ride with Sage Advisors LLC, retirement awareness and how to avoid the blind spots we all suffer from when retirement planning. And last in studio, call-in guest today, Larry Goines, founder of Goines Group, an active real estate investor, author, and coach. You will not want to miss Larry's segment because he'll be teaching us how to win in the HUD properties and how to save anywhere from 30 to 50% on those prices. Also, he's going to give away a free book, so you won't want to miss out on that. Great information and great guest in studio. For more information on any topics discussed, please call into the show, 1-855-400-1150. Again, it's 1-855-400-1150 or online at themoneyhour.com. And as always, we're going to start the show out today with a little money chat.
Money.
And today's Money Chat, I'm going to talk about reverse mortgages. What are the benefits for a reverse mortgage and how to protect yourself with a reverse mortgage with some of the changes that have happened? So HUD reverse mortgage after the financial meltdown left some older Americans with a shortage of money. If you have concerns about monthly cash flow with our local real estate market seeing so much appreciation, you may have equity, may possibly have a lot of equity in your home needed and can qualify for a reverse mortgage. Now, this program allows you to withdraw some of the equity from your home with no mortgage payments. If you're a senior, this can supplement Social Security, meet unexpected medical expenses, or any other expenses that you may need to assist. Now, a reverse mortgage is a special type of home loan that lets you convert a portion of the equity in your home into cash. Now, like any other mortgage, it works. It's a great program for the right person. Not the right person, not so great program. So I want to go ahead and break it down for you. New financial assessment requirements. This took place in March of this year. So they brought in some things to bring in some protection for our seniors that are taking advantage of reverse mortgages. Prior to 2015, reverse mortgage borrowers did not have to go through income asset assessment as the custody of the borrower who are getting forward or traditional mortgage. But after March 2nd, 2015, you now undergo a financial assessment conducted by the lender. This will also include reviewing your credit, which is new. Credit has never been looked at before the changes came into play. Now, the financial assessment is geared towards making sure that you can meet the ongoing payments associated with the homeownership, including homeowners insurance, property taxes, and home maintenance. So there's not a mortgage payment to it, but you still have to be able to afford taxes, insurance, and any maintenance that you need to your home. If you have past delinquents, those delinquents will be considered by the lender as part of the assessment. Now, two, you will now need more documentation as part of the financial assessment. Lenders will need to collect more documentation in order to underwrite the reverse mortgage and ensure you meet the necessary financial criteria. That may mean gathering income tax forms, documentation of assets that you own, payment history for different debts that you have. Now, the same way you would go through your documentation when applying for a forward mortgage or your traditional mortgage, you will need to provide documentation as proof of your financial criteria that required by the financial assessment. Now, you may need to put money aside, money for fixes needed for that home. So if you lack certain financial standing as determined by the financial assessment, you will need to set aside funds for the loan proceeds in order to cover the property charges, taxes, insurance. Also, again, if there's something that the property may need in the future to maintain it, which it's kind of cool. We have an inspection team here today to talk about maintaining your home. If it looks like it needs that, then you're going to have some reserves aside for that. Now, the bad news is the financial assessment will make it tougher for some borrowers to qualify for a reverse mortgage, but these borrowers are probably better served by other options like downsizing. The good news, because if you look at my site and know my personal core practices, one of them being life is balanced, learn to fail, everything is balanced. Here's the good news. By introducing these changes, reverse mortgages will be safer than they ever have been before. The new assessment is designed to ensure that the borrower has financial capacity and to continue living in their home and for the remainder of their lifetime while maintaining his or her reverse mortgage obligations. So a couple more minutes here before I take us to break. So I'm going to read through this quickly, but the information is always on the site, themoneyhour.com. You can listen to previous shows, redo the Money Chat anytime you want to. Just type in reverse mortgage, and I've talked about it a few times in studios, or you can always just pick up the phone and give me a call, and I'll spend time with you. To qualify, 65 or older, single-family homes, 1 to 4 units, townhomes, HUD-approved condos. Property must be owner-occupied. The home does not have to be owned free and clear, but has to have enough equity so that the proceeds of the reverse mortgage can pay off the current loan balance. Benefits, the title of the property always remains in the homeowner's name and will never change ownership. The funds received can be used in the manner with no restrictions. Income received is tax-free and will not affect Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid benefits. Awesome. No monthly mortgage payments outside of keeping up the property taxes, insurance, and also maintenance for the home, which we talked about. No out-of-pocket costs for the program. All fees and interest rates are deferred until borrower senior move out of the property, sell the home, or pass away. The loan is paid off when both homeowners pass away. If there's more than one, you sell the home or choose to vacate the property. The estate or heirs can keep the property once the loan has been paid off. And if the home is remaining equity, it goes to the estate or heirs. Reverse mortgages are considered a non-recourse loan. The homeowner never guarantees the loan will be paid in full. If more is owed on the home, that what it can be sold for, the government is responsible for that. Now, cash options is really great. There's lots of cash options: lump sum, monthly installments, line of credit that allows you to access cash when you need it, combination of all three, or all payment options, again, are tax-free. For more information, you can always go to the National Council of Aging or call 800-510-0391 for the expert, or you can always call into the show, 1-855-400-1150, and talk to me directly. Coming up next on the Money Hour, maintaining your home can save you thousands of dollars. I'm excited to have in studio Keith Medley and Brian Walker with Final Phase Inspection right here on 1150 AM KKNW after the short break.